Alright, we're back at that grocery store. Gonna try and get a nap in or two. It's 11:13. I'm finishing up the video from yesterday. That's processing right now. Editing, or fucking whatever that's called. And it's the last day before a hot one. It's gonna get up to 80 tomorrow. It's like 70 degrees out right now. A little bit of a breeze. It is very, very nice out. And some live streams on the phone. A little more power efficient than the laptop. Window open, let some of that cool breeze in here. Alright, got through the night, no problems. Whole lot of noise. I forgot this Fred Meyer's has a street sweeper that comes through every single night. Almost every single night. I don't think he comes on Sunday. Holy crap. That brought back some memories. I think this was like the third or fourth night I stayed when I first started boondocking. But, yeah, it's a little noisy.